and welcome to our channel. This is Gauri. In this video, let us explore SARS CoV-2 or COVID-19. Let's get into the video. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS CoV-2 is a highly transmissible and pathogenic coronavirus that emerged in late 2019, and it has caused a pandemic of acute respiratory disease which was named coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19. The word corona means crown, and it refers to the appearance that coronaviruses get from the spike proteins sticking out of them. In late December 2019, several health facilities in Wuhan, in Hubei province in China, reported clusters of patients with pneumonia of unknown causes. Among the first 27 documented hospitalized patients, most cases were epidemiologically linked to Hunan Seafood Wholesale Market, a wet market located in downtown Wuhan, which sells not only seafood but also live animals, including poultry and wildlife. Now, let us learn about the structure of SARS CoV 2. The genome of coronavirus is a single stranded positive sense RNA which is larger than any other RNA virus. The nucleocapsid protein formed the capsid outside the genome, and the genome is further pegged by an envelope which is associated with three structural proteins, namely membrane protein, spike protein, and envelope protein. As a member of coronavirus family, the genome size of SARS-CoV-2 is approximately 29.9 kilobase. SARS-CoV-2 contains 4 structural proteins mentioned above and 16 non-structural proteins. The symptoms of the virus may appear 2 to 14 days after the exposure to the virus. Anyone can have mild to severe symptoms, and the possible symptoms may include fever or chills, coughing, shortness of breath or difficulty in breathing, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, and diarrhea. With the emergence of multiple variants, the CDC, that is Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and the World Health Organization have independently established a classification system for distinguishing the emerging variants of SARS-CoV-2 into variants of concern and variant of interest. A variant of interest is a coronavirus variant that, compared with earlier forms of the virus, has genetic characteristics that predict greater transmissibility, evasion of immunity or diagnostic testing, or more severe disease. A variant of concern has been observed to be more infectious and is more likely to cause breakthrough infections or reinfections in those who are vaccinated or previously infected. There are currently 5 variants of concern, namely alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and omicron. The alpha strain is the most common variant of concern. The alpha variant includes 17 mutations in the viral genome. Of these, 8 mutations are in the spike protein. The beta variant includes 9 mutations in the spike protein, of which 3 mutations are located in the receptor binding domain, that is RBD, and increase the binding affinity for the ACE receptors. The gamma variant harbors 10 mutations in the spike protein. 3 mutations are located in the RBD, similar to the beta variant. The delta variant was initially considered a variant of interest. However, this variant rapidly spread worldwide, prompting the WHO to classify it as a variant of concern in May 2021. The delta variant harbors 10 mutations in the spike protein. Initial modeling suggests that Omicron shows a 13-fold increase in viral infectivity and is 2.8 times more infectious than the Delta variant. The spike mutation which is also seen in the beta variant along, is predicted to have an overwhelmingly disruptive effect, making Omicron more likely to have vaccine breakthroughs. And these are the 7 variants of interest. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. See you in the next. Thank you.